And did you know that roughly half of the city of Lafayette lives in a food desert? Well, this is according to the USDA Food Desert Census. And there's one part of town really feeling the need for more grocery stores. News 15's Ashley Hamilton joins us, where officials say they're hoping to attract new grocery stores to that area. But Ashley, the big question is how many grocery stores have left the north side?
Taylor, 7 grocery stores have left the north side, from the Piggly Wiggly to the Walmarts to the Winn-Dixies. But a new plan is hoping to see that grocery stores come back to that side of town.
The north side of Lafayette is in a food desert.
For years, north side residents have continuously lost grocery stores in the area. The last one was the Shoppers Value on University Avenue. Community leader Ravis Martinez says a lack of places to get food is a big problem in undeserved communities.
As a resident, it's really hard and discouraging when you see food deserts. You literally have a food desert and you have so many people living with food insecurities.
This wasn't always the case, saying he remembers grocery stores were much closer.
The Winn-Dixie on the other side of the freeway was in the walking distance of the community, something that the community as a whole could access. Without a fresh grocery store leads to other health issues.
Behind me is the old Walmart that many Northside residents would frequent for fresh produce, but it closed in 2019. Community leader Josh Edmonds says something has to change.
That is a start. That way we can have more community buy-in by other people that can start doing the same thing, duplicating the efforts, showing there's people in this area that's community invested.
Local officials believe a new investment plan aiming to bring grocery stores to the area is a positive start.
We have one franchise grocery store with a certain amount of people, and there's not enough grocery stores to handle the mass of people. It becomes a food desert.
The red areas show that half of Lafayette residents live in a food desert, according to the USDA Food Desert Census. A $2.5 million plan to lessen those red areas are in the works. President of United Way, Heather Blanchard, says it will take time to get a solid plan together, but they want to start by finding out what the community needs.
The key priorities that we have to look at is working in the communities already, finding out what they're doing, and then figuring out how to expand what we've learned throughout the last year in that and help support that.
Now, Blanchard hopes that LCG Thursday will approve the request for $1 million to go towards the plan. The old Winn-Dixie has been brought, but there's been no signs of if it'll turn back into a grocery store, and the buyer has not been announced. In Lafayette, Ashley Hamilton, News 15.